begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar.
I smell rubber.
Oh, I hate it.
SIM-car performance data acquired.
I told you. She's really horny today. She's horny today.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Got it?
Yep.
We're number one. So far we're one.
Yeah.
Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
I'm number one. We did it.
Yeah, we're back. Yes.
Scanning SIM-car for optimal eco-efficiency.
I know what I'm doing. Number one.
Engaging eco-scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total power.
That's gay.
What is that?
That's bullshit. That's what it is.
What part? Oh, efficiency. I don't give a shit about that.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active.
How fast is it going?
It goes
Like Tron.
fast.
Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged.
Where are we?
Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Test.
Yes.
That's nice, dude. Woo!
Yeah.
Awesome. At night is awesome, man. Woo! There's a lot of traffic on the road. Woo!
God, this is sick.
Daddy! Oh, what the hell? Oh my God, man. Woo! Titties! No one heard that, I hope. Oh, that was awesome. Okay, the turbulence, holy shit. Ow, my
What'd you
back.
think?
That was sick.
My back.
We did
Yay,
60.
It's over.
65.
That's not bad, man.
That
I think
was
we're
awesome.
What do we
speeding.
get?
Number two.
Displaying power test results.
We're number two.
SIM-track performance testing complete.
Not bad.
This concludes
Ah,
the
you're
performance
terrible.
test. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the SIM car after you disembark.
I don't want to leave.
That was fun.
Please watch your step as you exit, and remember to take all your
My
personal
number one
belongings
is
with
in
you.
front of me. Number 15.
Be sure to check your final performance numbers in our scoring area.
That was awesome.
Is that one of your favorite rides?